The huge Dixie Fire and smaller Fly Fire that merged with it in the Sierra Nevada may both have been sparked by trees falling on PG&E power lines.
Our firefighters have been on the front lines of a significant increase in fires this year that have already burned significantly more acres than we were at the same time period last year.
Which is why PG&E and other utilities have been called to task by the California Public Utilities Commission. The focus, readiness plans to shut off power to reduce wildfire risk.
We fully understand the tremendous responsibility that we have in preventing catastrophic wildfires. Public safety power shutoffs are a necessary tool in preventing catastrophic wildfires.
But regulators want to make sure it's a last resort, especially for those who depend on it for life-saving medical devices.
The consequences of loss of power are far beyond inconsequential. PG&E has the responsibility to manage their grid responsibly, and they have a duty to keep the safety and well-being of their customers as their highest priority.
PG&E says it will decide on public safety power shutoffs based on not just wind and weather conditions, but now looking at specific trees that could potentially strike lines, or those lines targeted as higher risk of sparking a fire. This year, the utility predicts about 5 major PSPS events. Each could last more than a day and a half and affect up to 360,000 Californians.
We know how disruptive it is to lose power, and we've been working nonstop to ease the burden on our customers and our communities that we have the privilege of serving.
While models aim to pinpoint and build a high fire risk map, work is also underway to sectionalize the grid to limit outage size. And undergrounding of lines is happening too. It all follows power lines being blamed for about half of the most destructive wildfires in California history. Brooks Jarosz, KTVU, Fox 2 News.